Hello, everyone. Good evening. Hope you all are fine and doing great. Please comment in the comment box that how you guys are planning to spend your new year. I would love to hear from you. So, a lot of action from the buyers in the market. Prices have gapped down and then it just reverses back up, and then prices have started to consolidate next to the resistance area, which is bullish. That means that prices were trying to create a support here, and then they just moved up. A lot of action from the bulls. However, if we just look at the daily chart, there is nothing much here because we do not have any clear pattern. The only thing which we can see as of now is that prices have taken out the low. So they have opened below, took the low of the previous candle, and then they just reverses back. So bulls have shown their strength today. They have retraced back almost 80-85% of the previous bar. So that is good. That is bullish. In my opinion, we might see a follow through of this bar tomorrow. So, we might see either a gap up opening or opening at the higher range, and then prices will, take out the high of this bar. So this could happen based on this candle. There are two important points that we should take a note of, that even after showing a strong strength, bulls were not able to take the high of this candle today, and neither they were able to close above this declining 20 MA. So if you can just see it from here. Right. So the retracement was good, but we are still below the previous candle and the declining 20 MA. So let's see. My opinion would be that prices might open in the higher range and then probably will take out the high of the previous candle. So we have this support zone at 16,349. As you can see, this support zone in daily is still intact. And if we just draw the resistance in the hourly time frame, would be somewhere around this area. So let's just change the color. Let's just change the color into red. Okay, so this area is around 17,156. So this is 17,156 and 17,001, almost 100. So we are at this area already in the resistance zone. So there is no strong support that I can see except these levels. So let's just mark this level. Okay. So we have something like this. Just change the color. Okay. So we are in a very close, zone. We have a very nearby resistance and support zone in Nifty. So, based on the price action of today from the bulls, it looks like that prices might take out the high tomorrow. The next point of reference where bulls will try to reach would be this area, where we have this short same open and closes, a cluster of bars here. So this area is around 17,300 to 17,280. So this would be the next reference point, and we might see some action from the bears when prices will reach here. As of now, based on the daily trend, the overview or the view in the market is still bearish. So let's jump on to Bank Nifty and see what kind of action do we have there. First of all, let's just clean all this up. Okay. So in Bank Nifty, we are near the support zone. The action was even stronger from the bulls. We have opened gap up, gap down here, and then we have retraced back almost same 70 to 80% of the previous bar. However, we are also below the resistance zone. So let's just see. Let's just mark the levels for you. Let's just change the color into green. Okay, so we have this 34,062 support area here, and also mark this resistance line. So we have this. Okay, so we have 35,511. As you can see, this is the resistance area, and this is the support in daily. So almost same kind of action in the intraday time frame. We have the long opportunities. I would even encourage you to take short positions in the index options to just to improve your trading. So if you just following the videos, I'm sure that you might be learning the how to read the price action. So if you have any comment question regarding or the confusion related to where to take the entry and where to exit, you can always ask it in the comment box. I would love to answer those questions. So in the hourly time frame, we are in a range bound kind of scenario. So I think we are near this resistance, and based on this price action, prices should open somewhere at the higher range, or it will show the gap up opening tomorrow in Bank Nifty. And I think as soon as it will hit this resistance area around 35,500, and probably if it will also touch this flat 200 MA, we will definitely going to see the reaction from the bears, and prices will start to move down from here. So be cautious with that. So I don't think that tomorrow morning it would be a good idea to go long, even if you see a strong price action or the strong opening in the morning. So wait for the right confirmation, because we are near the resistance area, and that would definitely going to hit the prices. Now, let me just show you the FII data. So let's just see what is happening there. Okay, so it was last updated on 24th. So this is the 24th data, where we have almost 5,700 crore worth of selling in index option from the FIIs. So that's a big number. So that means that FII has done the heavy selling. Okay, so let's just move back to our charts. Okay, VIX is also around 17,000. I'm sorry, 17. So this means that VIX has also increased from the Friday levels. So all in all, now we are at a location where we would definitely see some action from the bears, because A lot of bullish action has been happened today, and because we are in a downtrend market, it would be a wise thing to do if we just be a little bit more careful and take our trades based on the right confirmation and at right location. So as a simple or the basic technical analysis rule, always try to buy near the support zone. So when the prices hit the support and then you have the right and strong bullish price action, then try to go long, and always try to short near or at the resistance. That's a basic technical analysis rule, and but it is very effective. It works almost every time. So I hope you have got the message. If you have any comment, please ask it in the comment box. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.